How's it everyone, Grant here, welcome back to the channel. And today I've got the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case for the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Now Spigen is one of the only companies making cases for the Galaxy Fold, and so this is going to be their Ultra Hybrid clear style case. So if you want to show off your Galaxy Fold and not obstruct it or cover it up, this clear style case might be for you. It's also a little bit thicker than this shell style case that comes with the Galaxy Fold. So this nice carbon fiber case, it looks good, but it's not going to provide you with any kind of drop protection. As you can see, it's just a shell style case here that's meant to just protect from scratches, and it won't really give you any kind of drop protection. So let's go ahead and pop this off. I've already taken the case out, and so this is what it looks like. We'll go ahead and put this on the front. It's got some sticky material here, just like the OEM case from Samsung. So you can pull this black material off, and I think there's some sticky material in there to help it stick better to the Galaxy Fold, but I'm just gonna put it on without doing that and see how that works. So I'll put on the front here, see that? And we'll shine out the back before we put on the back cover, just like that. Get the back material, put on the back shell, and there it is. So you can see there, it is a thicker style gel case. So there is the camera module, and it is recessed into the case, so it gives you more protection there. You can see the buttons are covered here for the volume up and down as well as the power. Fingerprint scanner is fully exposed, and this is what the front looks like. You do have protection for the front-facing camera as well as the earpiece. It's recessed into the case there, and then you can see the cutouts at the bottom to support your Type-C charging port as well as the speaker and microphone. So all that does line up. And at the top, you've got the other speaker port open, and you do have an opening for your SIM card slot. So let's try out the fingerprint scanner. So that's easily accessible there, no problem. Buttons are pretty tactile and clicky. You can see there. Power button works. So all that works, and let's go ahead and unfold this to make sure there's no problem there. And there you go. So no problems unfolding it. This is what it looks like in the back. And of course, that's the Galaxy Fold. You can see the protection around the edges. You can see that it is raised around the display. So if you, for whatever reason, want to put your Galaxy Fold face on a table, which I would not advise, you should be protected. The display won't be directly touching the surface. And I'll grab a Type-C cable, and we'll go ahead and try to plug that in. So you can see there, lots of room on the bottom opening to support the cable. It's nice and secure, so no problems attaching and detaching a cable with this case on. And before I wrap up this video, if you're wondering if it works with wireless charging, there you go, so wireless charging compatible. And so there you go, that is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid for the Galaxy Fold. I think right now this is about $30 or $35 on Amazon, so definitely a little bit more expensive than their normal cases. But again, this is for the Galaxy Fold. Pretty expensive device. So I think that'll do it for this video. If you want to check this case out or maybe pick one up for your Galaxy Fold, I'll leave links in the description. Any questions or comments, leave them down below as well. And as always, thanks for watching.